Increase erection time. Can ED be cured naturally? A male's erectile functions rely on physical and mental health. Commonly affecting sexual disorders are symptoms that either is physical or mental health, or both are taking a beat and need attention. ED, early discharge, and low libido affect males commonly, and all these are better treated as symptoms of underlying health problems than the problem itself. The difference that makes a natural treatment better than other treatments is its ability to address and treat underlying causes and not just symptoms. Herbal treatment to increase erection time improves the internal system and eliminates other weaknesses too efficiently. A male can lose stiffness in manhood due to problems related to his potency. These problems restrict blood flow, which makes males weenie flaccid during the act. The restricted blood flow makes the process of gaining phallus painfully slow and, in many cases, prevents stiffness completely. Another reason for the male to lose stiffness is discharge. When the male discharges, the blood recedes from manhood tissues and brings flaccidity. If discharge occurs too early, it is classified as early discharge. In some cases, males discharge precum in excess, making manhood soft and incapable of penetrating a woman. There can be many causes of these symptoms, and natural treatment handles all these most reliably. In this video, you will know how to increase erection time naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
How to cure ED and PE naturally. ED is a set of conditions that interfere with a male's erectile function, whereas PE is a set of conditions that bring discharge or discharge like instance too early to make good love. Both these conditions are interrelated, one can lead to another. Males suffering from ED sooner or later face the problem of PE because of excitement or exhaustion of nerves. On the flip side, PE can make a male a reluctant lover, reduce his libido, and drive to a minimum to cause signs of impotence or ED. The best way to last longer in bed is to address the entire range of weaknesses that cause ED or PE. Lifestyle changes help overcome weaknesses that cause the problems like low libido, ED, and PE. But it has been noted that these changes help in cases where symptoms are mild and have just shown up. For the old and deep-rooted problems, males need a potent treatment with medicinal properties. Herbs are foods in a way but possess medicinal properties. The combination of the most effective herbs can cure various health issues. Experts trust herbs in the right combination as the best way to last longer in bed by maintaining optimum potency and endurance. If you want to know how to get Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil at home discreetly, watch this video until the end. Increase erection time and last longer in bed. Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil are the finest choices to get the best combination of herbs. These supplements provide the most effective herbs in the correct dosage and give the benefits of herbal oils. Regular use of these supplements treats issues like low energy, poor testosterone level, deficiencies, imbalanced hormone release, weak nerves, and tissues efficiently. Males with an energetic reproductive system, active nerves, and strong tissues gain a strong phallus quickly and maintain it for longer. These supplements keep nerves energetic and blood supply optimum to prevent early discharge. Along with optimum potency and higher endurance, these supplements are wonderfully beneficial for males' vitality and stamina. These also eliminate the ill effects of bad habits like smoking, alcoholism, and heal injuries caused by hand practice and other cheap sexual activities. The positive effects of these supplements improve males' emotional and mental health and dilute symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. Males also enjoy much better fertility by gaining better testicular functions, healthy prostate gland, and clear blood vessels and seminal pathways. Male needs healthy testosterone secretion, clear blood vessels, nutrient reserves, faster metabolism, and a strong nervous system to stay potent and virile. Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil provide these benefits and leave no scope for issues like PE and ED to exist. In modern times, when there are many more stressors than before that work against males' health and virility, the natural supplement is safe and reliable. Natural supplements provide a holistic cure and minimize the risk of reoccurrence of the problem in the future. These are safe as these work naturally and can be used by males of any age. Do's and don'ts. Maintain a healthy lifestyle devoid of recreational products and unnecessary sexual stimulations. Sleep and eat at proper timings and avoid stress. Exercise as much as body permits and stay active during the day. Eat foods low on sugar and salt and come with quality nutrition. Conclusion. If a male wants to last longer in bed, he needs optimum potency and endurance. Natural supplements Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil are best as these enhance a male's capabilities by supporting his internal system. The good results obtained through natural treatment tend to last long as these come by natural effects. The use of herbs through these natural supplements improves the vitality and mental health of a male to protect his masculinity in the future. World's finest erectile dysfunction cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Tufan capsules and King Cobra oil from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.